Please use subtitle translation to select your language. Combining hawthorn with certain supplements can enhance its health benefits. Here are a few that work well together. 1. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. This antioxidant is great for heart health. Pairing it with hawthorn can boost overall cardiovascular support and energy levels. 100 to 300 mg per day. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil. Omega-3s are known for their heart-healthy properties. Together with hawthorn, they can promote better circulation and reduce inflammation. 1,000 to 2,000 mg of combined EPA and DHA per day. 3. Magnesium. This mineral helps with muscle function, including your heart. Combining magnesium with hawthorn can enhance heart health and help regulate blood pressure. 200 to 400 mg per day, depending on your dietary intake. 4. L-carnitine. Often used for energy and heart support, L-carnitine can complement hawthorn by improving heart function and endurance. 500 to 2,000 mg per day. 5. Vitamin D. Important for overall health, vitamin D can also support heart health. Taking it alongside hawthorn might enhance its benefits. 600 to 2,000 U per day. 6. B vitamins. B vitamins, especially B6, B12, and folic acid, support heart health and energy levels. They can work well with hawthorn to promote overall well-being. For B6, about 25 mg, B12, 500 mcg, and folic acid, 400 mcg daily. 7. Turmeric, curcumin. This spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. When combined with hawthorn, it can help support heart health and reduce inflammation in the body. 500 to 1,000 mg of curcumin per day, preferably with black pepper for better absorption. 8. Resveratrol. Found in red wine and grapes, resveratrol is another powerful antioxidant. Pairing it with hawthorn can enhance heart protection and improve circulation. 100 to 500 mg per day. 9. Garlic. Garlic has been linked to heart health and can help lower blood pressure. Combining garlic with hawthorn can create a potent duo for cardiovascular support. 600 to 1,200 mg of garlic extract or 1 clove of fresh garlic daily. 10. Green tea extract. This is rich in antioxidants and can help with metabolism and heart health. Combining it with hawthorn can offer a nice boost to your overall wellness routine. 250 to 500 mg per day. 11. Cinnamon. Known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar, cinnamon can be a great complement to hawthorn, especially for those looking to support metabolic health. 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon powder daily. 12. Zinc. This mineral is important for immune function and overall health. Adding zinc to your hawthorn regimen can enhance your body's defenses while supporting heart health. 8 to 11 mg per day, depending on age and gender. 13. Vitamin C. This antioxidant helps support the immune system and overall health. Pairing it with hawthorn can boost your body's defenses and enhance heart health. 500 to 1,000 mg per day. 14. Ginkgo biloba. Known for improving circulation and cognitive function, ginkgo can complement hawthorn by promoting better blood flow and brain health. 120 to 240 mg of standardized extract per day. 15. Hibiscus. Often enjoyed as a tea, hibiscus is great for heart health and helps lower blood pressure. Together with hawthorn, they can create a heart-friendly combo. 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers for tea, or around 1,000 mg of extract. 16. Bromelain. This enzyme, found in pineapple, helps with digestion and inflammation. It can work alongside hawthorn to support overall cardiovascular health. 200 to 400 mg per day, taken between meals. 17. Ashwagandha. Known as an adaptogen, ashwagandha helps the body manage stress. Combining it with hawthorn can provide a nice balance of heart health and stress relief. 300 to 600 mg of standardized extract per day. 18. Fiber supplements. If you're looking to improve digestion and heart health, adding a fiber supplement like psyllium husk can be beneficial alongside hawthorn. 5 to 10 grams per day, increasing gradually. 19. Beetroot powder. Packed with nitrates, beetroot can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Combining it with hawthorn can amplify those heart-healthy benefits. 1 to 2 teaspoons, about 5 to 10 grams, per day. 20. Flaxseed oil. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed oil supports heart health and helps reduce inflammation. It's a great partner for hawthorn. 1 to 2 tablespoons, about 15 to 30 milliliters, per day. 21. Milk thistle. Known for liver support, milk thistle can help detoxify your body, which complements hawthorn's heart benefits nicely. 150 to 300 mg of standardized extract per day. 22. Probiotics. Good gut health is important for overall wellness. Taking probiotics along with hawthorn can support digestion and help keep your immune system strong. Look for a product with 1 to 10 billion CFUs per day. 23. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. They can support heart health and digestion when combined with hawthorn. 1 to 2 tablespoons, about 15 to 30 grams, per day. 24. Selenium. This mineral is great for its antioxidant properties and can help protect heart health. It's a nice addition to your hawthorn regimen. 55 to 200 mcg per day. These dosages are general guidelines and can vary based on individual health needs, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. While hawthorn is generally safe and beneficial for many, there are some medications and supplements you might be cautious about when taking it. 1. Blood thinners, anticoagulants. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, hawthorn could enhance their effects. This means it might increase the risk of bleeding, which is definitely something to avoid. 2. Blood pressure medications. Hawthorn can naturally lower blood pressure, so if you're taking medications for hypertension, combining them with hawthorn could potentially drop your blood pressure too low. 3. Heart medications. If you're on heart medications, especially those for arrhythmias or heart failure, you should be careful. Hawthorn may interact with these meds, altering their effectiveness. 4. Diuretics. Since hawthorn can have mild diuretic effects, if you're already taking diuretics, water pills, combining them might lead to excessive fluid loss. 5. St. John's wort. This herbal supplement is often used for mood support but can interact with many medications. Pairing it with hawthorn might lead to unpredictable effects. 6. Caffeine. While not a supplement, if you consume a lot of caffeine, think coffee or energy drinks, it could counteract some of the calming effects of hawthorn. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting hawthorn or mixing it with anything else. They can help you figure out what works best for you and ensure you stay safe while enjoying the benefits of hawthorn. This video is intended to provide health information. If you have a medical condition, please seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Your support is my biggest motivation.